So how does this actually work? How does this web page actually work? Well, you have two text fields, op1 and op2, and a result text field like that, as you see, and a button that the user can click after the user has entered numbers or just sticks with the default values, 7 and 5, inside those two text fields. So after the user has entered two numbers to add, you can click the button, which has the caption calculate, and that calls a JavaScript function doAtom. And in the doAtom function, which you write, you're going to call the x_atom function back on the server. That is how it's been made available to you through Ajax, and here's how things look. Here's how the doAtom function looks. This is the one you write in JavaScript. You set the two variables, operand 1 and operand 2. You get the values from the text fields like this, operand 1, operand 2. This recovers the two values that the user wants to add, and then all you have to do to pass this data to the server, to the PHP on the server, using Ajax and get the result back is do this. You say, remember, you named this function in PHP atom, A-D-D-E-M. And all you've got to do is say xatom, and this allows you to connect to the server and call the atom function on the server. You pass operand 1, operand 2, and that's fine because operand 1 and operand 2 are just what the atom function is expecting. You also pass, when you call xatom, you also pass a callback function to handle the results. Anything that's returned by the atom function on the server will be passed to the show results function. Okay, so that's how you connect to the server, and all in one web page. This one web page, atom.php, produces the HTML page that the user will see in the browser. It allows you to connect to the PHP functions you've written on the server inside the same PHP script, and using Ajax, and handle anything sent back to you through this callback function. And the callback function you also write, it is passed a result value. The result value is the value returned by this function atom, this PHP function atom on the server. So show results is just supposed to handle the result passed to you from the atom function on the server, the PHP atom function on the server, still back on the server, and we just want to display that result. So you get the element by ID of the result text field, and this expression returns the object corresponding to the result text field. Dot value gives you access to the text inside that text field. You assign it the value result, and that just displays the sum. Okay, and as you see, it works like this. 7 plus 5 equals 12. And let's go through once again how this works. The idea is that you can connect to PHP on the server by writing your PHP like this, as you see. And you write a function or multiple functions, and you can export them like this, make them available to your JavaScript. Then you let Ajax write that JavaScript by including a little PHP inside your script element. That writes the connecting JavaScript between you and the server. Then all you've got to do is call a function, a JavaScript function, that in turn calls x underscore your function name with the parameters you want to pass to it, and a callback function. The callback function handles the result fetched from the server using Ajax techniques, and you can just handle that result as you like. In this case, we just display the result in a text field. So as you see, very nice, very powerful. It takes a little bit of getting used to how this works, but once you get the knack of it, it's an excellent technique.